YouTube, TikTok, all them peoples. I'm going to show y'all today, because it came to my attention, a lot of people know how to change simple stuff like windshield wipers. So I'm going to show y'all how to do it. Maybe then y'all won't have to go to the shop at a truck stop just to get windshield wipers done. There's some stuff you need to do out here, be able to do by yourself. So it's easier if your windshield wipers are pointing up and down. So the way you do that is you turn your windshield wipers on, you turn your key on, and when they come all the way up, then turn the ignition off and they'll stay up like this. So there's a little tab that if you depress it, it'll pop right off. That little tab right there. I don't know if you're gonna see that tab right there. So, new one, all you do is it clips. Y'all can do this, it's not hard. Same thing with this side. Find the thing. Push it down. Sometimes they're hard to get off. Take your new one, open it up. Make sure y'all throw your trash in the trash can, not in the parking lot. We got to stop dirtying up these truck stops and rest areas and way stations. That's why y'all gripe about there's no place to park. They won't let us on their property. We can't sleep here. It's not because they hate us, it's because truck drivers leave a mess everywhere they go. They're constantly throwing trash. They throw their piss buckets and piss bottles everywhere. I wouldn't let you on my property either. Y'all start cleaning up after yourself, we'll have more places to park. There you go. Windshield wiper's done. Okay, just threw my trash away in that there trash can. I had a guy at the truck stop the other day ask me, I don't know how to get my hood open. Well, my first response to that is, how did you pass your driving test? Because that's part of a pre-trip. You got to do a pre-trip when you do your driving test. So, for those that don't know, or those that are learning, every truck is different, but this is a Freightliner. You pull this down, and that hook, it unhooks, okay? I have a deer guard, brush guard, people guard, whatever you want to call it. On this one, pull this over like that, and it unlocks. If you can see that, see how that unlocks right there? Same thing on this side. And then this just tilts down. Unlock this side. Voila, you got your hood up. Now you can begin your pre-trip, or check your oil, your water, all that bunch of stuff. This is a brand new truck, so there's not a lot to, that way, you know, there's not a lot on here. But let me show y'all, in case y'all don't know, there's two caps on your oil or on your water reservoir. This one, and then there's one like this on the other side, but it's like on this side. Don't mess with that one. This is the one that you fill right here. As you can see, my watermark is right there. We're good. I don't even have to take that off. Oil dipstick is right here. That's how you check your oil, in case y'all don't know. Not saying y'all are dumb. Some people don't know. Power steering fluid is right here. If I clean that off, you can tell that, actually you might be able to see it, my reservoir's right here. So there you go. That's how you pop your hood, check your oil, check your water. Y'all need more, leave me a comment, hit a like button. The way YouTube algorithm goes, if y'all subscribe and hit that like button, it gets me out to more people that might need this stuff. So we are currently in Loveland, Colorado. It's probably about 65, 68 degrees out here. Real nice petro. It's a independently owned petro, but it's nice and clean and quiet. The guy was out here a while ago, well, cleaning up the rocks. Look, my bride just shut the hood. She's going to show you that anybody can do it. So raise that back up into place. You got to pull it toward, you got to pull it sideways and out. There you go, just like that. And that is locked. It's not going anywhere. And this, you can actually do this one-handed. So you pull this down and you pull this to it like that. And now your hood. Alright, I'm gonna teach y'all how to short chain. A lot of y'all are not necessarily doing it wrong, but you're making this a lot worse than it has to be. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to short chain. Chain through, teardrop. Throw your other part of the chain over to the other side. Thank you, ma'am. Teardrop. Same thing on this side. So, 2 chains, 4 binders. 100% legal, because it's going to be 4 different tie downs. Anything with rubber tires over 5,000 pounds has to have 4 points of contact. And you got to put something over the forks. So grab your binder. Just like that. Smack in the middle, it's legal. If you can, try to go to the round, show it. Try to go to the round. Try not to pull on these unless you just have to, because these are a lot weaker than these.
Forward and backward.
Yeah, you pull forward on the front, back on the back. Now, if you were loading a couple of these smaller ones, you could pull back on the front and forward on the back. But the best way to do is try to stretch the equipment. I've got it, I just ain't done it. If you'll put your hand here, it'll tighten easier. Angel. I don't know how to do screw binder. Angel. That's what I'm talking about, right here. Not hard. Now, do something with your excess chain. I put it on that right there. Keep it from falling out. You're good.
Grab a bungee for this chain because there's nowhere to hook it on the tractor.
Now, if you don't have ratchet binders, then what you can do is you can take your chain through, as long as it's long enough. Take your chain through there, come through right here, and hook your binder. You're still going to make a teardrop, okay? Come down, loop your chain down and up, okay? And then put your snap binder in. And then throw your excess over and do the same thing. But on that side, you'd go through the rubber rail first, up to the piece of equipment. So you can do this with snap binders. You just gotta use your head a little bit. You know what I mean? I think next time I do one, I'll do it with snap binders and show people. This does not have to be super tight. DOT says you gotta have it because it can come up. It's keep it from going up by itself and hitting a bridge or a light pole, something like that. There you go. All right, guys, I wanted to show y'all a little tip. When you have ratchet binders like this right here, you'll take your bottom hook and drape a chain through it. It'll keep these from unscrewing going down the road. If you don't do that, if you don't secure these bottom hooks some way, whether it's a bungee cord or the chains or something, maybe you bring it up and hang it up, however you want to do it, they will unscrew going down the road. And if this is full of chains, I've actually lost the bottom screws on these to where it renders this binder useless. So another little trick that y'all can do. Also, I went and got some elastic cord I got on Amazon, and I run those through my edge protectors, and I hang them outside to where I don't have to take up toolbox space for those. But I want to do a quick walk around. I didn't do that when we loaded this. We're done for the night. So you can see that is still tight. This is the best way, in my opinion, that you can tie down this particular machine or any machines like it. It goes for front end loaders, rubber tire backhoes, all that bunch of stuff. So you can see that they're all still tight. Yep.
How are you doing today?
Good, you?
Okay.
Oh, you're a truck driver. We always complain.
Huh?
I said, you're a truck driver. We can all complain.
Yeah.
Complain about something. That one was a little loose. But I did a no-no. I didn't stop in 50 miles and check like I was supposed to, but there really wasn't a good place to stop. But the temperature can affect tires as far as the air in these. So what you saw him doing was he was pouring out his piss bottle, which I guess at least he poured it out and didn't throw the whole damn thing out here and littered the truck stop. I just got to make sure I don't step in it, because that would really piss me off. Piss bottles are just one of the things that we deal with out here, guys. And if you say you don't, yeah, you're not being honest and truthful. So anyway, that chain came off of that deal I hung it up on over there. I guess I'll have to put a bungee cord on it. Let's fix that right quick, and then I'm gonna sign off for y'all tonight, upload this video. If y'all could do me a favor, hit that daggum subscribe button, hit the like button. If you see something, if you want to leave me a comment, leave me a comment. If you don't like the way I did something, you don't like something I said, that's fine. Everybody has their own opinion. That's what makes the world go round. But leave me a comment, hit that like and subscribe. It really helps grow the channel to where the algorithm with YouTube will put it out. They'll promote it more, and I might be able to help some of these younger drivers know how to secure some of this stuff that they aren't getting taught. So anyway, like I said, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see y'all out here on the road.